Hi guys, today I'm going to open Hatchimals HatchTopia game. And before we start, don't forget to click subscribe, like and share and comment and turn on notifications. And I haven't had this before, so it's my first time having this. Well, let's open this. I'm excited. Oh, there's a tape here. Tape. Okay. Whoa. Let him just open it. Ooh. What is this? What is this? Oh! I get it. How to get it? Oh, wow! Oh, everything. Oh, wow! 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 Wait. Whoa! It says, my friends. Amazing! I'm excited. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Ooh, cookies. Cookies. What? Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, wow. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh! It's so amazing. Oh! Okay, so this is the game board, and this one is instructions, and these are the cards. Ooh, cool cards. And these are the figures, even the dice, pink dice, and the eggies. So cute. By the way, I'm gonna open this first because I really want to. Oh, I need help opening it. Ah! Wait. How? Huh? Okay, this is hard. This is hard to. So you just pop it. The dice. Dice. Oh, so hard to get it. Open it. Oh, baby. Oh, get out. Get out. Out. Oh, get out, people. Get out. There. It's just the bag. This is like a chair. And this is a bear. So, this is all the toys, and I just got out this egg out. Amazing. That was really good. Okay, so wait till the next video how to play this game. Still, I don't know how to play this game. Okay. And Daddy, can I open this one? Watch out for the next video, guys. I have to study the instructions first and how to play this game. Okay.